fact that we're all here in Scotland right now is legendary. The fact that Schaefer survived Europe is legendary. Mr. O'Donnell is legendary.
2 years ago today, our paths forever intertwined when we fell in love on a snowy evening in Germany that truly felt like we were in a cheesy rom-com Hallmark movie. I knew that night that I would one day be standing here before you, our friends, and our family to vow my eternal love to you.
Oh my goodness.
Love you.
Over the past 2 years, you have been my rock through 2 deployments. You have been my travel partner, my best friend, and my home. I cannot explain how lucky I feel to get to spend the rest of my life loving you, supporting you, and laughing with you.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Here's to a lifetime of happiness, love, and legendary adventures. Cheers.